Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating paper on incentivizing reasoning in LLMs, DeepSeek-R1. It's a really exciting development, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. The abstract mentions two models, DeepSeek-R10 and DeepSeek-R1. What's the key difference between them?
Right, so DeepSeek-R10 is the groundbreaking one. It's trained purely with reinforcement learning, no supervised fine-tuning whatsoever. Think of it as learning to reason from scratch, purely through trial and error.
Wow, that's a bold approach. So it learns entirely through RL? No prior knowledge or guidance?
Exactly. And surprisingly, it develops impressive reasoning abilities. But there are some quirks. The paper mentions issues with readability and language mixing.
I see. So DeepSeek-R10 is like a raw, untamed genius, full of potential but needing refinement?
Precisely. That's where DeepSeek-R1 comes in. It builds upon R10, adding multi-stage training and a cold start data phase before the RL. This helps address the readability and language issues.
So essentially, they're taking the raw power of R10 and polishing it to make it more usable? A bit like taking a rough diamond and cutting it to reveal its brilliance?
Exactly. And the results are impressive. The paper claims DeepSeek-R1 achieves performance comparable to OpenAI's own 11217 on reasoning tasks.
That's a significant achievement. What about the open sourcing aspect? The abstract mentions releasing several models.
Yes, they're open sourcing DeepSeek-R10, DeepSeek-R1, and 6 dense models of varying sizes, ranging from 1.5B to 70B parameters. They're based on QN and Llama architectures. This is huge for the research community. It's a fantastic contribution to the field.
It is indeed. But I'm a little curious. While the results are impressive, how do they actually measure reasoning capability? What metrics are they using? The paper doesn't explicitly state that, does it?
You're right to question that. The paper focuses heavily on the methodology and the results compared to OpenAI's model, but it's less explicit about the precise metrics used to evaluate reasoning. That's a point that could use further clarification. More detail on the evaluation methodology would strengthen the paper.
Agreed. It's crucial to understand how they're defining and measuring success. But overall, this is a very exciting development. The open sourcing aspect alone is a major contribution.
Absolutely. The availability of these models will undoubtedly accelerate research in LLM reasoning. This is a significant step forward in the field.
Definitely. It's great to see such progress in this area. Thanks for breaking down this fascinating paper for us.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.